equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the lower case of your Lenovo IdeaPad 510. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the process. Next, locate the screws on the underside of the laptop. You will typically find around 10 Phillips screws securing the lower case. Carefully unscrew each one and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Remember, it's important to keep track of which screws go where, as some may be longer than others. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the lower case. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the case in place. After successfully removing the lower case, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from the fans and vents. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your laptop is in top shape. Now, inspect the lower case for any signs of damage. If you're replacing it due to cracks or wear, ensure the new case fits perfectly. Align the new lower case with the laptop's body and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Next, replace the screws you removed earlier. Start with the longer screws in their respective positions, followed by the shorter ones. This ensures a secure fit. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Once all screws are tightened, reinsert the battery if applicable and power on your laptop. Check to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Finally, give your laptop a thorough check to ensure the lower case is securely attached and that all components are working as they should. If you have any doubts or need further help, our service is just a call away. No calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your laptop serviced right from your home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.